Hello, it's Helen Godden here, and we're up to block 7 of our Flower Power Quilt-a-long, and this one I'm calling the Chocolate Lily. Okay, let's have a look. This one's got a diagonal going through it, so it'd be very nice if you were doing your pieced backdrops. You could just do a lovely half square triangle there. And you can see I've drawn up a grid with my friction pen, not with a ruler, just freehand. And I'm going to do some cathedral windows on there. Some of you might call this a continuous curve or orange peel. If we have a look along this top edge here, you can see where I haven't actually finished off that last half a section there, and it looks quite different when it is finished off. So I'm just going to come back along here with that little half. You can see the difference that gives it a different look. Okay, and by touching, oh, there's a bit there. By touching onto the black edging, it makes it look like it is behind the flower. So I'm just going to jump stitch across to here and bring in this last little row here. So I'm doing some fairly simple echoing around those circles just to give a bit more detail in those petals, but I'm liking the way they're staying fairly open and clean compared to the busy background of that cathedral window design. So how did you all go with cathedral windows? You really do have to have that grid there, and once that grid is there you can follow that pattern and get that continuation happening behind the flowers. For the leaves, I went with a echo of those shapes, just sort of exaggerating and getting that really curvy shape going. I needed a good contrast to the cathedral windows and to emphasize those lovely shapes. So it's very exciting. Tomorrow we launch a brand new pattern called Elizabeth's Lost Dress. Now you'll see when I show you the sample that I've painted my piece, but you can of course do applique or embroidery. It's actually based on embroidery from one of Elizabeth I's dresses, but she lost it. How did she lose that dress? You'll find out tomorrow. So that gets released tomorrow, Elizabeth's Lost Dress. Now let's get on with this block. It looks like we're back to the stippling. And there we are. That's block number 7. That's our chocolate lily. Now I was going to do McTavishing in here, but then I went and did a kind of McTavishing pattern in the leaf, so I had to revert back to the stippling. Sometimes there's not enough room to get a fancier pattern going. So sometimes, nothing wrong with a bit of a stipple. I don't mind a stipple. There we go. There you go, chocolate lily. Okay, see you very soon for block 8 of our Flower Power Quilt-a-long. Education and inspiration from helengodden.com.